Ready?
Ready,
Yes,
steady.
ready. Go. Why the pharmaceutical industry? It gives me meaning, I think, to know that I'm working for patients.
Yeah, it's the same for me, really, to make products and bring them to the patient, have an impact on society. A message to future Sanofians.
Sanofi people are very caring, are very welcoming, so don't be afraid.
Yeah. Lab work or office work? 50-50.
Yeah, both are important.
Yeah.
What has a colleague or your mentor taught you? For me, to have harmony between your personal and professional life. Yes. Being expatriate, challenge or opportunity? At the start, a challenge.
Later, nice opportunities.
Yes. Thank you. Done. Check.